Hello guys, my name is Mugisha Emmanuel and I welcome you to this YouTube channel, Mugi Craft. Well, in case you're new here, please consider subscribing. Please subscribe so that you don't miss any amazing skill on this very channel. Yes, in the last video we learned how to make a tissue holder using beads, and today we shall be learning something different, totally different. We are going to be learning how to make a wooden table mat, of course using wooden beads. Yes, and you shouldn't miss on this one. Yes, so without wasting time, let's start. Here we are guys, we have our materials with us. Here we have our beads, they are wooden beads, hope you can see them. Yes, you can see them clearly, different colors, and these are the different colors we shall be using: yellow, black and red. Yes, so we have our string, which is 0.90 millimeters. Yes, so and we have our cutter for, of course, for chopping off the unwanted parts of the string. Yeah, so those are the materials we shall need so far. So the first step, you cut off part of the string. So it's here, already prepared. You can extend the rest aside. So we have our string here. Then you extend your wooden beads nearer, because we shall be using the wooden beads with string. So the first color we shall be starting with is the black wooden beads, black color. So remember what you do, remember the process, the pattern. You shall be using the four beads pattern, whereby you first put 3 of them in the string. First put the 3 of them. Yes, they are already 3 inside. So after the putting 3, you get the fourth one. The fourth one, you include in the string like this. Then you bring the other string upward like this in the opposite direction. Then you pull both ends of the string like this. You pull them. Yeah, so you shouldn't worry about the string. So you try to pull. Yeah, you try to fix the string very well. Then you pull. Yes, so when you pull, it brings this form. So when you pull, it brings this format. Hope you can see. It's in square form. Yes, hope you can see that. So when you pull, it brings that format. So what you do now, you make sure that both strings are on the same level. So make sure that both strings are on the same level, both sides of the string. Yes, so you adjust a little bit, then you try to see the edges of the string, they're on the same level. Yes, so we can go with that. So here we go now. We are continuing with our process. So we have just started. Remember, here we have our square form. Yes, whereby we have started with black. So the next color we shall be considering here now. We shall be considering the yellow color. Yes, what you do now, you get one side of the string. Yes, you get your yellow beads. So what you do here, so you include in the yellow beads. Okay, so what you are going to do here, you're going to first put 2 of them. Remember, we are considering the 4 beads pattern. Yes, you first include in two beads already. There are already 2 beads already inside. Hope you can see them, the 2 yellow. Then you bring in the fourth one. Remember, here there is already the third one, like where the string is crossing through. Yes, then you get the other side of the string. Yes, you pass it through the other wooden bead, the other side of it. Then you pull also. You try to pull. You can do it gently so that the string doesn't disturb you so much. Yes, so when you pull, it comes this way. Yes, you can try to fix it. Yeah, so when you pull, it becomes this way. So remember, here we are continuing the process, and this is a line, it's form of a line. So remember, we are going to make it surround this black until we reach again this side to make a square form to expand the size of it. So what we are going to do, we are going to face the piece this side, like upward, where the two strings are. Yeah, so we are going to face them upward. The strings are facing upward. So what we do here, now remember we are considering one side of the string too as well. So sometimes the string is up, but you have to be gentle. So you do it in a gentle way. So what we do here, get one side of the string. Remember we are considering the yellow bead still. And you remember here the string is crossing over one bead. Yeah, so here we shall consider 3 beads to make 4. So what we do now, you first put 2 beads again. First put 2 beads. Yes, so these are already 3. Hope you can see them. So now we are going to get the 4th one to make the 4 beads pattern complete. So what we do now, we bring the other side of the string. Yeah, so you bring the other side of the string. The side of the string, you include it, insert it into the other side of the bead, like this. Then you try to pull. You pull. You're seeing, so you can pull it gently so that the string doesn't disturb you. So like that. So hope you can see now. So what you do now here, when you reach this level, hope you can see the squares are being formed. So when you reach this level, you get this lower string to enter into the next bead. So we're going to get this lower string. Hope you can see it. This lower string facing downward. Yeah, we're going to put it into the next bead. Yeah, so we're going to put it like this. So it's entering into the next bead like that. So pull like this. See? So when you pull, don't mind about the shape. So when you include the other pattern, the shape will come back again normal. So what you do now, remember here there are already 2 beads. The string is crossing over 2 beads. So what you are going to do, you are going to include 2 beads to make the 4 beads pattern. So you're going to put the first one. Hope you're seeing it. Then you include the second one to make 4 beads pattern. So what you do, you bring the other side of the string, include it, the other side of the bead like this. Hope you can see. Then you pull. Then you pull. Then you pull. So it becomes this way. You see the shape is coming out. Yeah. So when you reach this side, remember it's facing up. It's facing straight like horizontally. So what we do now, you can face it upward so the string face upward so that we continue the same process. Remember here it's crossing 1 bead, so you include 2 beads, then you tie with the 3rd one to make 4. Yes, remember you're considering a 4 beads pattern. So that's the same process throughout until we finish this yellow part of it. Alright, so here we are finishing up the yellow part. Now here is the ending part of it. So remember, our string is crossing 2 beads already. And remember, we're considering the 4 beads pattern. So we are going to add two more beads to make 4. So what we shall do here, you get one side of the string is you put in 1 bead, then you bring the other one, the last one, then you bring in the other side of the string as well, then you include it in onto 1 bead and you pull. Yes, you pull this way. Yes, so hope you can see now. You can see the yellow part is done. Now we are remaining with the last part, which is red, which is going to cover up the roundness of it to make it a bit bigger. Okay, so we are remaining the red color. So far not bad. Now what we do here, remember now the string is still crossing 1 bead. Now when you're starting, you have to bring in 3 more beads to make 4. No, but remember this time we are using the red color beads. So what we do now, you get one side of the string, you put in 2 more beads. So Hope you can see. Put in 2 more beads. They're here, the red ones. Okay, so you get the last one. You get the last one. You know, it's the one you're tying with. Yes, to make the 4 beads pattern complete. It's the one you're tying. So you pull. You pull. And be careful. So you pull like that. So hope you can see now the red it's coming out. Yeah, so what you do now, you get the lower string to enter into the next bead, like that, the next yellow bead down here. So you get this downer string, you insert it into the next bead like this, insert it like that. Yes, so you remember string is crossing over 2 beads now, but what you shall be doing now, we shall be considering 2 more beads to make the 4 beads. So what we do now, you first put 1 bead like this, then you bring the last one, it's the one you're tying with the other side of the string, like that. So you pull, yeah, so you pull like this, if you're seeing, so you pull like this, yes, you pull like this, you can see, so it's red. So you get, again, you consider that same process, you get the lower string, put into the next bead, like this, yeah, and then to the next bead. So what you do, I want to show you how you can make it when you reach on the angle side. Yeah, so what you do now, we're considering the 2 beads again. Remember, since our string is crossing over 2 beads already, so we are considering 2 more beads to make the 4 beads. So what we do here, first put the first bead, bring in 4th one, you pull like this. Yes, you pull like this to make 4. So you hope you can see it coming out. So what you do now, change the position of the piece like this. Yeah, so when you reach this side of the angle, what you do, remember the string is crossing over only 1 bead, and remember we're considering 4 beads. So what you do, you get one side of the string like this, you first put 2 beads. This time you don't put 1, you put 2, since it's crossing over one bead. So you put 2 beads. Yes, so you put 2 beads like this. When you after putting 2, then you get the 3rd one, which will make the 4 beads. It's the one you're tying with. So you bring the other side of the string, you insert it into that 1 bead, then you pull like this. Yes, so hope you can see they are already 4. So hope you can see now. So hope you can see this design, how it's coming out, the colors. So what you do now, you get this lower string to enter into the next bead. Yes, so you get this lower string to enter into the next bead like this. Yeah, so here when you reach here, you're going to consider this same process we have used here, the same process whereby you consider these 2 beads. So you first put the first bead into the string, then the 4th one you tie with, then you reach in the corner here, first put 2 beads, then you tie with the 4th one. So like that. Yeah, so here guys, we are finishing our piece. Remember here we are remaining with only 2 beads to cover up this space here. So what you are going to do, we are going to consider 2 beads to make the 4 beads. So we first put 1 on one side of the string, then you bring the other one, which is the last one. So bring up the other side of the string as well. So insert it into that 1 bead, then you pull both ends of the string, yes, to make the design come out. So this is how it becomes. So hope you can see now. So this is how it becomes. So here the last part remaining is to tie up the string so that our piece, the beads don't loosen. So what we do now, we are going to be inserting this both sides of the string into the beads to make it firm. So we're going to insert it to the beads like that. Yes, so we also bring this side. So here we are tying our piece to make it a bit more firm. So yeah, so you can also try this either at your home, at your workplace, workshop. Yes, you can try it out and find out the results. So you can bring the string, trying to tie up. Yeah, so if you find out it's not yet firm, you can still continue with the tying up. So you can still continue with the tying up. So you can put it, still continue with the tying up. You just be crossing the string into the different beads like this. Yeah, remember, if you haven't yet watched the previous video, you can go back and watch it. Yeah, where we learned about how to make a tissue holder. So you can go back and watch it. Yeah, so with our piece here, we are still tying it up. Yeah, so for me, my piece is ready firm. So in case you would want to continue tying it, so you can continue the process. Now here, the last process remaining is to chop off the unwanted strings, because we don't need this. So what you do, you bring up your cutter or your scissor or something you use to cut off the string. So you can cut off the string. For me, I use a cutter because it's so easy and flexible for me. So you can cut off the string. So remain with our piece here. So hope it's beautiful. So you can try it on your own. Yes. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have enjoyed today's video where we are from making a wooden table mat using wooden beads. Yes, and remember, we also do private classes. We also carry out private classes. Yes, and in case you'd want one, you can reach us on our Instagram, MogiCraft, Twitter, MogiCraft, and let me know in your comments below. So you can please comment, and in case you'd want to know anything concerning the wooden table mat, you can please comment. So let me know in your comments, and remember, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, ciao ciao.